Today, we dive into 5 of the most dangerous workplace incidents you've never seen before. Moments where one small mistake turned routine work into disaster. Stay with us, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more life-saving lessons. Number 5. Stacks of timber logs lie side by side, each the size of a car, their bark thick with mud and rain. Workers move between them, guiding, measuring, repositioning, the kind of heavy labor that feels routine after years on the job. A faint creak echoes through the shed, the sound of pressure redistributing. One log shifts, disturbing the stack beside it. Gravity takes over. The massive timbers begin to roll, slowly at first, then faster, turning balance into motion and stillness into chaos. One man climbs over a lower log to check spacing. Another stands a few meters away, gesturing toward the far end where a forklift had passed minutes earlier. There are no wedges at the base of the pile, no barriers to hold the cylindrical giants still. Unsecured cylindrical loads are potential projectiles waiting for gravity's cue. When stacked without chocks, wedges, or restraints, every vibration, every movement, every shift in balance turns stored mass into rolling energy. Number 4. The operator stands close to the lathe, checking the alignment of a freshly mounted workpiece. The steel rod blurs as it spins, smooth, controlled, seemingly harmless. The man adjusts his position, eyes fixed on the rotating stock. In a single blink, the rotation betrays him. A metallic fragment breaks free, maybe a chuck key or a loose fitting. It shoots outward at incredible speed, striking the shop wall and scattering fragments across the floor. In less than a second, a routine spin becomes a dangerous reminder of hidden force. Never stand in line with a rotating part. Always remove tools and secure the setup before starting. A lathe's quiet spin hides immense energy, and one mistake is all it takes to release it. Number 3. Inside the weaving workshop, while adjusting the loom, a worker rests a hand on the metal frame, unaware that a hidden fault has energized the structure. In a sudden flash, the frame discharges, tripping a breaker and halting nearby equipment. The looms hum to silence as the cause becomes clear. The metal housing had turned live, invisible until the system failed safe. Machines thump and hum in unison, rows of automatic looms producing sheet after sheet of fabric. In the narrow space between 2 running looms, the worker had focused on a line of cloth that stopped feeding properly, but the hazard had been waiting unseen. Moisture, worn insulation, or missing earth bonds can turn any metal structure into a live conductor. Never assume a machine's metal surface is safe. Always treat it as energized until verified otherwise. Number 2. As one worker adjusts the hose, the boom edges too close to an overhead power line. A bright arc flashes as contact occurs, energy surging down the structure before the system trips offline. The crew freezes, the pour interrupted by a harsh reminder that even small distances can carry massive power. It's early morning on the construction site. The concrete pump truck is in position, its boom extended high, hose lowered to the slab below. Workers stand in the pour zone, leveling the mix as it flows steadily. Power lines run across the site, close enough to notice, easy enough to ignore. Electricity doesn't wait to warn, it travels the path you provide. Always maintain a safe clearance between concrete pump booms and overhead power lines, and use a spotter to monitor proximity whenever a boom is raised or repositioned.
Number 1.
At the edge of the loading dock, where the truck meets the platform, sheets of material are stacked neatly and the air hums with quiet activity. It's a routine day, but one small detail can turn everything upside down. As the worker backs away with the manual stacker, one wheel catches on a barely visible edge. The tall frame tilts backward, weight shifting fast, and in an instant, the machine tips, freezing the dock in tense silence. Always check for uneven surfaces, floor gaps, and dock edges before moving manual or powered stackers. Keep the mast low, maintain distance from the load, and move slowly. Even the smallest overlooked detail can turn routine work into a disaster. Scan, move carefully, and never assume a job is safe just because it looks finished. Don't forget to share what you learned today in the comments. Your insight could save a life. Take care.